This video is going to demonstrate object number 4 from problem set number 1. Now, like all problems, we want to figure out what's the best way to approach it. If we look for that outline that's helped us out before, we notice that this L shape is what we see. And that's where my dimensions actually line up too. 250, 1.5, 1.25, and 0.5. So I have all the information I need to make this L shape. If we look up here, there's a hint about using extrusions to cut features into the part. I see solid material missing here with dimensions, so this tells me this is one cut I need to do. And same thing over here, solid parts missing with corresponding dimensions. So I'm going to create the solid object and then do 2 cuts. Let's get started. I'm going to sketch. I'm going to use my line tool, starting at the origin. I'm going to look for perpendiculars because that's going to help me out. Complete my profile and start adding in dimensions. 1.5, 0.25, 0.5. Last one is 1.25. I'll double check my sketch. It's fully constrained. I'm ready to create my feature. I'm going to extrude, and there again, I'm going to extrude this way, so my number is going to be a minus. Minus, what are we looking at here? 1.125. Okay. So here is my solid shape, and now I need to do a cut here and a cut here. So I'm going to start a sketch on this face first and do the triangle cut. Now, I like to do the triangles off the object because it can get kind of goofy when you do it on. Sometimes it wants to throw it around and make more work. So just do it off, do it a little bit above, put in your dimensions. And those 0.75s come right off the sketch here. It's very easy to see the edges of the triangle and the dimensions. And now all I need to do is take this point, use the coincident, and attach it to my object. And that's fully constrained, so I can cut that now. So extrude, select your profile, go to new body, select cut, or excuse me, to operation. And I want to make sure I'm cutting in the right direction, so it's going to be a minus here. Or I can do a to object in the extent box and say cut to here. To me, that's easier. Click OK, and that part's done. Now let's do a cut here. I'm going to use my rectangle tool, go from here and just put in the information given, 0.75, 0.5, 0.5. That sketch is fully constrained, and now cut it. Select profile to the back and make sure it cuts, and you're good to go. Put it back to your home view, collapse the sketch folder, double check it, looks perfect. That's what you guys need to do.